Hey everyone, this is Beat the Prop Firm, and tonight's video um, are as such. Here is the levels, but before we go into all the details, let's talk about the disclaimer. Everything that you see here is for 100% educational purposes. Do not construe anything that we're showing here as financial advice, and trade at your own risk. Nothing you see here is a solicitation to buy or sell a security, and again, everything is for informational use only. If you decide to take a trade using the information we have here, do so at your own risk. Alright, so now that we got that disclaimer out of the way, let me first announce that the access to the Discord and the course is on sale right now, currently $200 off at $399. You can see it right here. There's a link. It'll be in the description. All right, so this is for April 24th, Wednesday, and then the new zones are for Thursday, April 25th. You can pause the video or look in the description for the current zones that you see here. All right, so targets for wins. We hit the 17,565 and 17,561 as we talked about last night. We talked about the market maybe trending higher and then shooting back down lower to reach at least two of these targets, right? Look at the average true range for the last 7 trading days. It's about 912. So 912 ticks. All right, so let's put that there, which equates to about $4,562.50. All right, so let's take a look at the charts. And you can see the current overnight market is right here. So we're about to hit this level of support that we talked about. That is 17,413, which probably should get hit by 9:30 Eastern time tomorrow morning. All right. You can see the two levels that got hit right here as the market came down, right? When it opened, it came down, flushed through these two levels. So if you watched the video from last night, you would have benefited in seeing that we got these two levels right here. Obviously, if the market's up higher, you would take a short coming down into those levels for profit. All right, so going into tomorrow morning, again, this is the overnight market and it's live. You can see the support level at 17,413. Currently, we are about 157 ticks away from that level. All right, so if the average range is 912, this is well within reach. All right, and then the next one down is going to be a ways away. That's going to be all the way down about 1960. All right, so that's outside of that current 7-day ATR range, so I wouldn't expect it to get down that far, but could pop up higher also. So let's take a look at that. And yes, we are right within range of the next level up, 842. Right, so we could bounce down here and then shoot back up. All right, that's one of the possibilities. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but if we come down, right now the liquidity levels are a little bit far away. So what the market wants to do is it wants to find whatever the closest one based on its average range, or at least as a trader, that's what we're looking for, based on the last 7 days average range. Kind of looked at the highest possibility on what's going to get hit. So I would say this level as a support level is probably going to get hit, and then if we're going to get another one, it's probably going to drift up higher up here. All right, if it does come down low, I don't expect it to hit that level, so we should close somewhere in the middle if it's a bearish market. All right, so let's take a look at the well, we'll take a look at their reports again, on the side here. Let me see if I can find it. Alright, so let's clear the charts here for a second. So tomorrow's going to be Thursday, and we have GDP, advanced GDP quarter by quarter. Alright, coming in tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Unemployment claims, 10 o'clock we have pending home sales. Those look like the major ones. So 8:30 is going to be pre-market, and then 10 o'clock in the morning we have a report. So be aware of that. All right, and then like I said, the two most likely scenarios would be come down, hit this, and then pop back up. Maybe getting up to that level up here, but it could be that we just move in a sideways range. And what do I mean by sideways range? It could hit this, right? And then we're going to be traveling in between these two levels here, right? Without hitting the top or the bottom. All right, so that would be my guess, right? Unless that 10 o'clock report is a driver, we see something that that report shows something that is extremely bearish or bullish, right? We should be trending in between those two levels, right? So I still think the bias still is down, right? And I think we have a couple more days still yet to go. All right, so that's it again for the NQ trade plan for tomorrow morning and the results for today. All right, this one came out a little bit late. It's like yesterday, but as long as you can watch these videos before the 9:30 open Eastern time, it should help you with your trading. All right. So again, if you're interested in learning the system, right now it's $200 off at $3.99, and that includes 12 months of Discord access. It renews every year, so if you renew at that price, you'll stay at that price forever, as long as you're in the group. All right, so sign up for that link below in the description, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks.